Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to watch Netflix using a VPN. In short, a VPN is a tool that lets you change your virtual location so you can access content that isn't normally available in your region. With this app, you can browse Netflix catalogs from around the world and stream your favorite movies and shows in high definition without buffering or lag. Personally, I use ExpressVPN. It's the one I find the most effective. It lets you access almost any catalog and it's fast enough for HD streaming. Before we jump in, if you'd like to try ExpressVPN at any time, just visit vpn-club.com/exp or click the link in the description below. It will take you to the best deal currently available. Let's move on to the demo. Here is how to watch Netflix with a VPN. Let's take a concrete example, The Wolf of Wall Street. I'll use Unblocks to check which countries offer this movie. As you can see, it's available on Netflix Australia. Now I'll open ExpressVPN. I select Australia. I click here. It's connecting. This only takes a few seconds. And that's it. I'm now virtually connected to the internet from Australia. I refresh the page. And there we go. I now have access to the Australian Netflix catalog. Let's search for The Wolf of Wall Street. Perfect! I can now watch this movie, which normally isn't available in my country. As you can see, the stream runs smoothly, with no lag. That's how easy it is to watch Netflix with a VPN, and as you have seen, it works perfectly. To try it yourself, go to vpn-club.com/exp or click the link below this video. As mentioned earlier, it will lead you to the best offer available right now. I've shown you the process on a computer, but the exact same principle applies to smartphones, tablets, and smart TVs. It's also the same method for accessing Netflix libraries from other countries. ExpressVPN offers servers in 105 countries, including the US, Canada, the UK, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, Japan, South Korea, and many more. It's also worth noting that ExpressVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. This means you can use the service for several weeks with no restrictions and request a full refund if you're not satisfied. Beyond Netflix, a VPN like ExpressVPN also helps you browse more privately, secure your connection, bypass internet censorship, save money on subscription, and much more. That's all for today. You now know how to watch Netflix with a VPN. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll be happy to help. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and see you soon.